Welcome to Best Choice. The best stocking stuffers is probably one of the most exciting parts of the holiday season, especially when it comes to finding that perfect little something for the 5-year-old girl in your life. It's a delightful challenge to discover those small, yet impactful gifts that will bring a huge smile to her face and add a touch of magic to her Christmas morning, making this year's surprises truly unforgettable. Number 5. BUNMO Easter Basket Stuffers Pop Tubes. Looking for the perfect Easter basket stuffers for your toddler? These colorful pop tubes are a fantastic addition to any Easter basket, bringing laughter and discovery. These versatile tubes encourage creative thinking. Kids can stretch, bend, and connect them to form letters, numbers, and spirals, fostering early STEM skills. The satisfying pull and pop action helps little hands develop grip strength and coordination. It's a fun way to learn about cause and effect. This set includes a large 4-pack of colorful tubes, perfectly sized for small hands. They are great for individual play or sharing with siblings and friends. Built to last, these tubes can be clicked together to create bracelets, hoops, and more. They are designed to flex, twist, and keep the fun popping. Designed for children aged 3 and above, these are non-mouthable toys. Adult supervision is recommended for safe, family-friendly fun anywhere. What we like? These pop tubes offer a unique sensory experience with satisfying sounds and textures. They encourage creativity and early STEM skills through imaginative building. If you are looking for a toy that is both entertaining and educational, these are a great choice for developing fine motor skills and open-ended play. What people say. The tubes are durable, colorful, and easy to manipulate, making them ideal for kids 3+ to develop fine motor skills while having fun. They're colorful, lightweight, and surprisingly durable for how much twisting and stretching my kids put them through. The design of the mini size are easy to stretch, they work smoothly. They are very fun and I love the twist end designs to connect the tubes. Number 4. Lip Smacker Lippy Pals Unicorn Magic Lip Balm. Keep your lips magically smooth and soft with this adorable unicorn-shaped lip balm. It delivers the classic moisturizing power you love in a fun, cute package. Our classic conditioning formula smooth and moisturize your lips, making them glossier and softer. It helps prevent chapped and cracked lips, keeping them looking their best. These flavored lip balms come in a variety of delightful flavors to keep your lips smooth, moisturized, and protected. They are perfect for everyday use or as a fun party favor. For decades, we have been your trusted choice for flavored lip balms and glosses. We were the first to introduce flavored lip balm and have been creating smiles ever since. Since 1973, we've been putting smiles on lips worldwide. We hope our authentic flavors and colorful designs bring you happiness. Enjoy guilt-free hydration with our cruelty-free and vegan formulas. You can feel good about keeping your lips soft and moisturized. What we like? This lip balm provides essential moisture and a hint of shine to keep lips soft and smooth. Its adorable unicorn design adds a touch of fun to a daily essential. If you're looking for a delightful and practical gift that kids will love to use, this is perfect for keeping lips hydrated with a touch of magic. What people say. Good width for small hands to open and not struggle with dropping the lid. Great for stocking stuffer, Easter basket, gift filler. Quirky and cute bottle. Doesn't make her look too old and makes her smile so pretty. Number 3. Purple Ladybug Decorate Your Own Water Bottle Kit. Transform a plain water bottle into a dazzling, personalized masterpiece. With sparkly gems, vibrant stickers, and cute accessories, you can create something truly unique. Just peel, stick, and let your imagination shine. This all-in-one kit provides everything for a magical crafting adventure. You'll find a durable water bottle, adorable unicorn charms, plenty of gem and vinyl stickers, and a stylish wristlet for easy carrying. Surprise the unicorn enthusiast in your life with a gift that's both fun and functional. It's a creative and practical present that's perfect for birthdays, holidays, or just because. Customizing your bottle is a breeze with waterproof, easy-to-peel stickers that stay put. The leak-proof lid is designed for little hands, and the wide opening makes cleaning simple. Crafted with BPA-free, non-toxic materials, this water bottle is designed with your child's safety as the top priority. It's rigorously tested to meet international toy safety standards. This craft kit not only sparks creativity but also encourages healthy hydration habits. It's an ideal activity for both home and school, making it a gift that keeps on giving. What we like. This kit allows kids to personalize their own water bottle with a charming unicorn theme. It includes everything needed for a fun and creative crafting session, promoting both artistic expression and hydration. If your child loves unicorns and enjoys hands-on activities, this is a fantastic gift that results in a functional and stylish accessory. What people say. The kit comes with plenty of choices of stickers, gems, etc. for them to create a personalized and individual bottle. Bottle seems higher quality and all of the stickers were very sticky. The stickers have stayed on the bottle in good condition for a month now with hand washes nearly every day. Number 2. Townley Girl Disney Frozen Elsa and Anna Nail Polish Kit. Get ready for magical makeovers with this enchanting nail polish set. Inspired by Elsa and Anna, it's perfect for little ones who love to sparkle. Designed with kids in mind, these polishes are non-toxic and water-based. They dry quickly, making application a breeze for tiny fingers. Enjoy the fun of colorful nails without the worry of harsh removers. The peel-off formula makes cleanup simple and mess-free. This 14-piece set includes everything needed for a dazzling manicure. Plus, bonus nail separators help achieve a perfect finish every time. Surprise the little Disney enthusiast in your life with this delightful gift set. It's the ultimate present for birthdays or any special occasion. Let their creativity shine with a rainbow of colors. These polishes are designed for safe, quick, and easy application, bringing Disney magic to their fingertips. What we like. This nail polish set offers a safe and fun way for kids to get creative with their nails. The peel-off formula makes for easy removal, and the Disney Frozen theme adds a touch of enchantment. If you're looking for a mess-free and age-appropriate beauty activity for a young fan of Elsa and Anna, this is an ideal choice. What people say. The polish goes on smoothly and gives just enough color for them to feel fancy, but the best part is how easily it comes off. No harsh remover needed, which makes it stress-free for parents. This set has 12 fun colors with a princess on each lid. Sometimes she chooses the polish by the color and sometimes by the princess. Cute small bottles with different Disney princesses for each color. Is totally washable and peeled right off when she was ready to change her nails. Bright colors. Number 1. Window Gem Art Suncatcher Kits. Unleash your child's creativity with this sparkling window art kit. It's a fun, hands-on project that's perfect for kids who love bright, mess-free crafting. Watch them build confidence as they design their own sparkling suncatchers. This is a wonderful screen-free activity that encourages imaginative play. This kit helps develop fine motor skills, color matching, and spatial awareness. It's ideal for early learners and quiet focus time. Enjoy stress-free crafting with no glue or paint needed. Just peel and stick the gems onto the pre-printed templates for easy cleanup. Once finished, these beautiful designs can be mounted on windows or mirrors. They add a touch of sunlit sparkle and pride to any room. This lightweight and portable kit is perfect for gifting or travel. It makes a great addition to Easter baskets, stocking stuffers, or party favor bags. What we like. This craft kit provides a sparkling and engaging activity that results in beautiful window art. It's a mess-free, peel-and-stick project that helps develop fine motor skills and creativity. If you want a fun, screen-free activity that kids can proudly display, this is perfect for fostering artistic expression and creating colorful decorations. What people say. This is a great gift for a 5-year-old girl. It has many different pieces and is very colorful. My daughter loves this toy. She plays with it for hours. It is very educational and helps with her fine motor skills. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.